Have you ever wondered how some people manage to make money online effortlessly? They're not sitting around all day, yet their bank accounts keep growing. The secret? Affiliate marketing, a powerful way to generate passive income while you sleep. Affiliate marketing has become a game changer in the online world. It's a money-making method that allows you to earn commissions by promoting products or services from other companies. The best part is that you don't need any inventory or you don't need to handle any shipping. Just drive sales through your unique affiliate links. Yep, that's why today I'll take you to Affiliate Marketing Explained for Beginners. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and down the notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. For beginners, affiliate marketing can seem like a maze. It's confusing and overwhelming. Where do you even start? How do you choose the right products or services to promote? How can you effectively drive traffic and generate sales? One of the biggest challenges is finding a profitable niche. With so many options out there, it's easy to get lost in the sea of possibilities. You need to identify a niche that not only aligns with your interests, but also has a sustainable demand and potential for growth. Another hurdle is building an audience and establishing your trust. As an affiliate marketer, you're essentially a middleman between the customer and the product. Convincing people to buy through your links requires credibility and a strong online presence. And lastly, navigating the technical aspects of affiliate marketing can also be daunting. From setting up tracking systems to optimizing your content for search engines, there's a learning curve that can slow down your progress. But don't worry too much, because in this video, we'll break down the world of affiliate marketing into bite-sized pieces, making it easy for even the greenest of newbies to understand and succeed. Alright, now let's dive into the juicy details of affiliate marketing. If it's a bit confusing, just think of it as a modern-day matchmaking service. But instead of setting up romantic connections, you're introducing potential customers to products or services they'll love. Because at its core, affiliate marketing is all about leveraging the power of recommendations. We've all had that one friend who can't stop raving about the latest gadget or skincare line they discovered. Well, at the affiliate marketing world, you get to be that friend. Except you're not just sharing your enthusiasm with a small circle. You're broadcasting it to the entire internet. Imagine yourself as a digital superhero, swooping in to save people from the clutches of mediocre products. You scour the online marketplace, seeking out the best offerings in your chosen niche. Once you've found something truly exceptional, you become its digital ambassador, spreading the word far and wide through your own unique channels. But wait, there's more. Unlike your friendly neighborhood Spider-Man, you don't have to settle for mere gratitude. In affiliate marketing, every time someone takes your recommendation and makes a purchase through your special affiliate link, you earn a sweet commission. It's like getting a kickback for being the ultimate product matchmaker. Now let's talk about the details. As an affiliate marketer, you have two main paths to choose from: promoting physical products or digital services. Physical products could range from fashion items to home appliances, while digital services might include software, online courses, or subscription-based platforms. But whichever route you choose, the process is still essentially the same. You sign up with an affiliate program. If you don't know what that is, just think of it as joining an exclusive club for product evangelists. And they provide you with a unique affiliate link. This link acts like a digital breadcrumb trail, allowing the company to track any sales or leads generated through your efforts. But how do you actually promote these products or services? Well, that's where your creativity comes into play. You could start with a blog or a YouTube channel, sharing honest reviews and insights about the products you love. You could leverage the power of social media too, creating engaging content that catches people's attention and piques their interest. Or if you're feeling particularly tech savvy, you could dive into the world of paid advertising, targeting your ideal audience with laser precision. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its versatility. Whether you're a wordsmith, a video guru, or a social media maven, there's a promotion strategy that suits your unique talents and personality. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. How much can you realistically earn as an affiliate marketer? Well, the sky's the limit. While it's tempting to believe those flashy quote-unquote get-rich-quick schemes, the truth is that success in affiliate marketing is directly proportional to the effort you put in. Some affiliate marketers earn a few $100 per month as a nice side hustle, while others have turned it into a fully fledged career, raking in 6 or even 7-figure incomes annually. It all depends on your dedication, the niche you choose, and your ability to build a loyal audience that trusts your recommendations. But here's the real kicker. Once you've put in the initial work and built a solid foundation, affiliate marketing can become a passive income goldmine. Imagine waking up to a steady stream of commission payments, all thanks to the hard work you did months or even years ago. It's like having a digital money tree that just keeps on giving. With that out of the way, how about we take a look at the real showstoppers, the benefits of affiliate marketing that make it an absolute game changer, especially for beginners. Buckle up because this is where things get juicy. First off, the low startup costs. Unlike traditional businesses that require massive investments in inventory, real estate, and overhead expenses, you can kickstart your affiliate marketing journey with little to no upfront costs. All you need is a website, a social media presence, or even just a simple landing page, and boom, you're in the game. But that's not all. Affiliate marketing offers unparalleled flexibility that'll make your 9-to-5 colleagues green with envy. You can work from anywhere, a beach in Bali, a cozy cafe in Paris, or even from the comfort of your cozy couch. No judgment here. As long as you have an internet connection and a laptop, you're good to go. Speaking of flexibility, let's talk about the ability to scale your earnings to astronomical heights. Unlike a traditional job where your income is capped by a fixed salary, your earning potential in affiliate marketing is virtually limitless. The more you hustle, the more you can earn. It's that simple. Imagine waking up to a steady stream of commission notifications, each one representing a new sale and a fatter paycheck. It's like having a team of salespeople working around the clock to promote your affiliate offers while you catch some well-deserved Z's. But wait, there's more. Affiliate marketing also offers the incredible benefit of passive income. Once you've built a solid online presence and established a loyal following, your affiliate links can continue to generate sales and commissions even when you're not actively promoting them. It's like having a money-making machine that keeps on giving, even when you're lounging on a beach sipping pina coladas. And let's not forget about the incredible learning opportunities that come with it. As you navigate this dynamic industry, you'll develop valuable skills in areas like content creation, digital marketing, search engine optimization, and more. These skills are not only transferable to other online ventures, but also highly sought after in today's job market. To sum it all up, affiliate marketing offers a low-risk, high-reward opportunity for beginners to tap into the vast online market. With minimal startup costs, unparalleled flexibility, and the potential for passive income streams, it's a surefire path to financial freedom and personal growth. Also, what's stopping you from taking a leap into the world of affiliate marketing? Share your biggest doubts or concerns in the comments below, and let's tackle them together. Well, that's basically affiliate marketing explained for beginners. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Want you to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.